Okay, here we go. We now present the short version of TMSmap video manual. So we have to open the program TMSmap.exe. Yes, I want to start it and I want the full screen version. Okay, so I have now the data and maps options. First I add the subject. I added first subject. I want to download his MRI. Press for his MRI, and this is nifty format MRI HDR. This is a developer MRI, Pavel's MRI. Okay, good. So for example, I use this billion dippers, 25 millimeters. Good. So here is my area. I want now go to stimulation sessions. I add session. I can call it somehow, but I will not change. Okay. Now I want to download the real data. So I press add, and you have these three options: NB format, Excel format, Excel NBS style. I'll start with the first one. I'll take some. Okay. I press apply, and they will appear here. I can do the same thing with other formats. So let's go again, add another session. I add it. Let's call it new session 2. Okay. New session 2, I will add Excel format. Okay, let's take some of them again. And again, I'll press apply, and you see the same result. Okay, and now I go to the maps window. Okay, here we can really construct the map. Let's say we start with this first new session, channel 1. Will appear here. It will take a second. Yeah, I can press refresh, and I will see this in the screen. I can change the options: the minimum signal level option, big scale, color chord scale, and I can change this. I'll unselect all. I want, for example, only MRI. I want my center of gravity, and I want minimum signal level and ABOS based map. Okay, now I want to add channel 2 map. Channel 2, okay, will appear here. Okay, and I want also the overlap. So I take this option, new session, channel 1. I can take here channel 2, whatever. It can be list of any amount of sessions. Press OK. It will take a bit more time. So, okay, now we have it. I press refresh. And we have 3 maps. I want them to be in the same position, so I press uniform position. Okay, I unselect all. I want again only MRI brain, and I want my center of gravity, and I also want minimum signal level and smoothly based map. So I have the parameters of map here. I can make their pictures. I can even print the pictures right from here. I can have the details for every map, right? And now I can calculate the EMD between these two, between the first and second map. I calculate EMD, and you see that instead of these zeros, now there EMD values appears. Okay, so here we go.